This is Mark the Meerkat with the trade of the day, or I should say lesson of the day here from the Grok Day Trading Chat Room, brought to you by Grok Trade. It was on RHT, Red Hat. Now it was going to be purchased by IBM for $190 a share. And here it was in pre-market, and it was an asymmetrical triangle at about what 176.90 was the apex there. Now, Meerkat Trading Rule number 5, let me pull that one up here. Meerkat Trading Rule number 5, trade what you see, not what you think. Very, very important because, folks, if it was going to be bought for $190 a share and it was only 177 in a symmetrical triangle, you would think it was going to go up. But I don't trade what I think, I trade what I see. So I was ready to go either way, and then guess what it did do? It dropped down, bam, look at that, right to the 200 moving average. And now it's low basing here. And again, logically would say, well, it's bound to go up to the 190 area. It's at 176.40. Now, I set a trade. If it did go back up, I'd be ready to go long above 177, but I was also ready if it broke down, I was going to go short. And what happened? Bam, it broke down. This is in pre-market. Bam, broke down below 176, and I got in at 176.03 was my fill on my short. And then it proceeded to drop from there. Now again, this isn't so much about what the trade was. It was a low base breakdown, and then I'm managing my stop throughout this trade. I guess stops don't work in pre-market. I was actually managing a stop limit order to get out, and it's down here low basing at 174 even dollar amount, and then did a little bear pullback here. And again, I'm still short. I'm still short. And then it did a bottom here, and then it came back up, and then it bounced down here for the second time, popped up, and I covered for 173.76 for 3.1% in 31 minutes. But the point is not so much how much I made on the trade. It was all about the psychology of trading, folks. You have to keep an open mind. Trade what you see, not what you think. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember what OC, the market man himself, said. At the moment I start thinking about a trade, bad things start to happen. Trade well.